Hello guys, welcome back to another video. So today in this video we are going to see that how we can make auth flows in React Native using Firebase. So I have this project here. I have initialized my Firebase app. I have this null state inside the main app class, and now we are going to create some functions which will help us to sign in into our app, sign out of our app, and check the user status. Okay. Check the user status. So to sign in, we are going to do is firebase.auth dot sign in anonymously. For simplicity, I'm using anonymous sign in. To sign out, we are going to do is firebase.auth dot sign out, and in this check status function, what we are going to do is firebase.auth dot on auth state changed. So this is a listener provided by Firebase which will help us to keep the uh, check on the user whether he is signed in or signed out. So what we are going to do is, as soon as the auth state changes, we are going to set our state to the user. Okay, so we'll set our user to the values or returned by this on auth state changed listener. Okay, so we have this here. So we have so what we are going to do is, now we are going to make some conditional renders. So what we are going to do is, if this dot state dot user is null, which means that he is not signed in the app, then we'll display the login screen. Okay, then we'll display the login screen, else we are going to display our sign out screen. Okay, so inside here I'm just going to define a button. Its title will be login, and on press this dot sign in. Okay, and we are going to copy this from here and we are going to paste it in here, and I'll name this button this time sign out, and we'll not use this to sign in but to sign out of the app. And now we need to call this function inside the component did mount lifecycle. Okay, so this dot check status. So let's see whether it works or not. So here are we in the app. So it is a web app, so I'll use this button to log in, and as you can see that a sign out button renders. This means that we are signed in into our app, and here we sign out of the app, then we can sign in again and we can sign out again. And here is our Firebase project. So as you can see that we have various anonymous users. Okay, so you can count that there are like 6 users. And now if I sign out here and if I log in again and if I refresh this, so you can see that 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Now we have 7 users, which means that this is working. Okay, so thanks for watching this video.